Let me tell you first why I am not using Ollama or LM Studio and I am using oMLX. Okay, so this is oMLX. I have downloaded. You can get it easily from the internet. So this is where you start the server, and let's go to settings. Okay, I start the server. Okay, here let's go to admin panel. So this is oMLX. Okay, it is very different than Ollama. I have Ollama 2 installed, and I also have 3.635B MOE, and I have LM Studio installed to LM Studio. Okay. You can see LM Studio, and I have these many models out here from Coencoder 30B to JMA 4. So all these models are good. Okay, if you are in chat, doing some kind of chat or something. But let me open the activity monitor. You can see when we load the model, it goes out of RAM memory, even though we have 32 GB of RAM. So let me close all these things. Wait, Ollama, good, LM Studio. The problem I faced using Ollama and LM Studio is when you are making a prompt. After 4 or 5 prompts, your AI crashes. Either it goes out of context memory, or it stops making any changes. It crashes. Basically, the AI model crashes totally because it goes out of the RAM. So what I found out in oMLX, okay, that the models stays, it works properly, and the model I am using today will be this one, Coen 3.6 35B A3B 4-bit, which is 19 GB in size. And yeah, let's start the VS Code. Okay, so we have VS Code opened here, and before doing okay, so as you can see, we have oMLX already loaded here. Let's go to chat, and let's plan some idea about the project we are going to do today. So my plan is we can do some good app which may help developers or people like us to showcase their work and get some client out of it, and which will be low cost. Okay, so it will be something like social media and other job seeking platforms for AI vibe coding developers. Okay, so let's plan. Okay, so let's plan for an app for vibe coding developers, where developers can create their account, show their work, clients can sign in and hire a developer to do their work. Okay, you can see the model is already loaded, and we are using around 27 GB of memory right now, and swap memory is around 1 GB, which is okay, which is fine, because in Mac it's pretty natural, it's pretty normal. Okay, using swap, okay, because it keeps some of the data, some of the data which on still or stall data in the SSD rather than on memory. Okay, so it's still thinking, it's making the plan. Well, while it's making the plan, let's have a cup of coffee. Okay, so it's done. Now you can see it was thinking for a long time, and then it gives me a whole plan to make the app. So rather than doing it, okay, I think it is capable of doing its work. So let's see how much token we got. Like, it was generating 33 tokens per second, and prompt processing was 9 tokens per second. Okay.